sacrifice. The legend of Ajisaka and the white crocodile. Once upon a time, there was a young and wise man named Ajisaka. He has two loyal servants, which is Sambada and Dora. Ajisaka is determined to free the land of Pedapamulan from the evil king Prabu Dewata Cakar. And with that, Ajisaka sent a message to one of his servants, Sambada.
Sambada!
Yes, sir.
I want to go to Medan Pamulan. Please keep my relic.
I will keep this relic with my life. I will protect it with my life. Promise is a promise. And with that, Ajisaka and Dora went on to Medan Pamulan. They have defeated Prabu Dewata Cakar, and Ajisaka became one of the most beloved kings ever. But Ajisaka remembered something back then.
Dora,
Yes, sir.
I want you to go to the Sambada place. Please take my relic.
Yes, sir. I will do your command as soon as possible. And with that, Dora went on to find Sambada place. He went through the woods and the forest and finally found him. Sambada, Sambada! How are you? Oh, I'm fine, Dora. I come here because the command of Sir Ajisaka, he asked me to collect this relic. Oh, no, you can't. This relic belongs to Mr. Ajisaka, and he has said to me that I cannot give this to anyone. But this is his order. Don't you believe me? It is must do. I don't care what you believe. This cannot be.
They met along the way to preserve their belief. They never knew that their lord Ajisaka never thought that his efforts would be misunderstanding each other. Ha 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 ha! So stupid both of you! Just continue your fight and I will take the relic!
I will not let you do that. It belongs to Mr. Ajisaka.
No way! Sambada, I'm sorry. Because of my order, you all die.
And with that on, Ajisaka made the alphabet, the famous one, which is
Hana Janaka, there's messenger, Data Sawala, fighting each other. Pada Jayanya, they are powerful. Magabatanga, they are die.
And with that on, that marks the end of Sambada's and Dora's journey. The story does not teach us about loyalty or keeping promises, but it teaches about communication to avoid misunderstanding. Thank you for watching.